Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to enable assistive access on your iPhone 17 Air. Assistive access on your iPhone 17 Air lets you simplify the interface, which makes it easier to navigate applications and perform essential tasks. It's perfect for beginners, for kids, or anyone who wants less cluttered experience. Okay, so let's open settings, and you have to scroll to accessibility section, and here under the tab general, which is at the very bottom of your screen of your settings page, you have to go to assistive access, and let's press set up assistive access. Let's tap continue, and let's confirm that I really want to use this Apple account. Tap continue, and if not, I can always change it. It's not the problem. So now I want to select my appearance. So choose how icons and text will appear in assistive access. So it could be in rows or grid. Let's go in with grid, for example, and I want to tap continue button. And now I need to select and customize applications that I want to have on my assistive access. So I have to simply tap on them, tap on one kind of item, application to edit, like this. And here are even more applications. So let me add okay, so let it be like this, and also I can customize them by moving around in which exact order I want them to be. So let it be like this. I tap continue button, tap continue, and now I want to set my assistive access passcode. Tap continue button, and I have to set my passcode. Let it be this one, and then I have to re-enter it to confirm. Tap continue button, and let's start using assistive access. So I need to enter my assistive access passcode, and now my iPhone will enter assistive access mode. And here it is. This is my assistive access mode. So let's go in to some kind of applications to check how it works. Okay, so in order to exit assistive access, you have to triple click the power button, your side button. Let's do that. And I want to select exit assistive access. And I want to confirm my password to do that. And let's wait until my iPhone will exit assistive access. And that's it. That's how you can enable assistive access, how you can use it, and how to exit from it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.